have somebody sending us a video rolling down the highway.
That's a big truck.
Man, that's a big truck.
At least I know the tires are good.
Good thing about them, they can check our tires for us while we're rolling down the street. Rolling.
Yeah.
Those are our tires.
So is this, what's this event called?
The Florida Truck Show. Miami Homestead, baby. Yeah, there's supposed to be like Tugger of the Year coming.
Oh, I heard that guy, he's got the Buddy's roofing truck.
Yeah.
What do you gotta say about that guy?
He's all right.
He's a real dirtbag.
He's
Nah,
all right.
He ain't a dirtbag. He ain't an Evan Russo, but he's a nice guy.
He ain't no Evan Russo, but close to it.
I can't wait to meet those guys.
Yeah. Me too.
Seem like cool guys.
I heard there's a belt, like Tugger of the Year type shit.
I wonder how these Chevys are gonna do against this Ford.
Because Chevys, what about the Dodge against the Ford?
What Dodge? Never mind, I can't say it. Why does Jose look like the stormtroopers or something with the glasses? What's the one cops? The super troopers.
Talking shit?
No, I'm just kidding.
So, Carlos, how many miles to E do we have?
16.
And how many miles do we have to the next gas station?
34.
Oh,
34 or 30? 34.
We're so screwed.
We're on Alligator Alley. We'll make it. I know my truck.
You know your truck?
Carlos, wake the fuck up, you lazy piece of shit.
I heard this thing's only got 100 horsepower.
You forgot to carry the decimal one more place.
Oh.
1,000 horsepower.
1,000 bald
1,000
eagles?
fucking horsepower, bro. Hear that Terpsky squealing?
You can't read? It says ignition. He's like, you know, you're right. Wait.
our local tour guide right here, Cody. Everyone.
It's a shithole.
The best shithole.
Not wrong.
Homestead. We're out here in the fucking sticks. There's some shit going on.
All right, where are we at, Haley?
We are in Homestead, Florida, and we're at the Glades Club.
All right, and what are we looking for while we're here?
Burnouts. We're looking for people to not be pussies tonight. We're looking for real burnouts. We want to see wires on tires.
All right, all right. What else, anything else we're looking for while we're here?
I mean, fat asses, big titties.
Truck meet. We're here at the undisclosed bar where all the hood rat shit happens.
Yes, yes, very much so.
Do me a favor, just scan down the street right here. You can't really tell, but we've kind of shut this whole block down. We got everything from lower trucks to big trucks. Yeah, I saw you on that. And everything goes here.
Everything?
So, everything.
He won't do a burnout. Don't let him talk.
Oh.
You won't get a video of it. You won't see one on the YouTube channel. You won't.
Hey, go park that thing. You're wasting my fucking tax dollars. Shit's lit.
Tonight, we're gonna have Jose come up here and do a little bit of karaoke. No, you're not. They're way behind.
This is so bad.
In the booth,
Stunner Empire. Yeah, dude. Yeah. He got a squatted truck.
I got a 2007 Chevrolet.
You're missing the bowl cut.
I got the mullet.
The moulet.
It's fancy.
Do it. Do it. Do it.
Hey, hold on, let me get out of here. Yeah. I feel pinched. I feel pinched. Why is everyone pushing me? I feel pinched in this motherfucker.
Where?
Get up. Who's backing up? Bro, get down. What's this Larry guy doing? Hey, take him a little bit. Take him a little bit.
Guy here from Texas, hanging out with big truck guys.
I don't know, that's what I'm looking for.
And this
We need to be jamming, dude. What the hell?
And this guy.
This guy
somehow made it.
I made it
into our abode.
I know. I just can't find him.
Team's here. Team's here.
Oh shit! Oh shit! Can I get you some super bitch and killing it swag?
Yeah, dude.
Also available at killingitlifestyle.com. While you're at it, check out our YouTube channel, youtubes.com/killingitlifestyle.
ride. Cool shorty, too naughty, pool party, wet for the face ride. Annie up, penny down, hand me down, thrift store, old drip. New money, too funny, old shorty, talk about old shit. I'm on they ass now, can't get a pass now. I'm a cash cow, keeping it brash now. Niggas is trash now, I'ma spaz out. I've been killing my lows and living on highs. You see in the sky's the proof. You could just see in my eyes that there is no lies. I cannot disguise the truth. I've been ducked off, getting sucked off in my new merch, colored duck sauce on the new couch with my chucks on. Get the fuck on with that.